All right. I hope you guys see the screen. Yes. It's too small. One moment. Perfect, right? You guys can see the screen? Yeah. Okay, cool. So this topic we covered yesterday because about Nourish IT. So I hope everyone know about Nourish IT. Yeah, it's been ruled in the world from last 20 years and more than 20 years. And about me, so my name is Prakash Senapati. So I'm still working in industry. Okay, it's 14 years of industry experiences I have, and I done my master's at Chennai at 2010, and right now I'm working as well as studying in PhD in reinforcement learning, robotics, and IoT. Okay, so I'm working as a lead data scientist for Asia division for one of the European client. Yeah, I stayed in France for 2 years and right now in India. So I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist. I do provide training to a lot of people, like great learnings and upgrade in all of them. Clear? So which domains I'm working? Machine learning, optimizations, algorithms, building a lot of advanced computer visions projects, automizations, manual part, right? Using the Tableau applications, Power Visualizations, everything's guys, yeah? So yesterday we understand the architectures. Means what is meant by architectures? I explained you what is data science. The course which you are learning is called data science or also full stack data science, guys. Both are equal. There is no difference between both. Okay, let me know if I'm going very fast, online student. Just are you guys understand or you want me to slow down? Do you want me to slow down, guys? It's fine, everybody. It's fine, guys. Yeah. So now data science has split into two entities. One is called data, one is called science. Yesterday, I covered all those topics where the data generated from, okay, how the customers are access data and how, I mean, what type of data we create from internet, right? All those things we covered up. Are you able to understand? Just look at these arrow marks. Look at these arrow marks. Yeah, cool. Thank you, Washim. Thank you, Sinduri. Thank you, Sai Kirtana. Cool. Okay, the one who had first class, no need to worry, because it's again I'm briefing up very a little bit fast, and then I'll get back to today's sessions as well. All right, so now the data which collects from customers, that is called machine learning, right? What is machine learning? I mean, we have data in the databases, right? That is called machine learning. So what is supervised learning? Anybody? Anybody in this batch? Yesterday I covered those things. What is meant by structured data? The data which, very good, from the database, right? The data which we collect from, extract from database, that is called supervised and structured data. Very good, guys. Can you please check display setting that PPT can be maximized? Just one moment. Yeah, I do. Let me fix this up, buddy. I think this would be better, isn't it? Just one moment. Oh, they have some issues with this USB cables, guys. Now, is it better now? This would be better, right? Compared to last time. Yes, Ankit, is this be fine, buddy? Yeah. So that's okay, because anyway, I'm going to share with you. Yeah, no need to worry. Let me maximize this one. I cannot, I have some issues with this one. I don't want to change right now. Okay, but that's okay. Yes, see guys, I address your questions like Varma and Dharani and Prashant. No need to worry. So I will discuss with you at end of the sessions, whatever questions we have, and we're going to discuss all of your questions. Okay, guys? Yeah. Because the session is started, we have quite long batch, this one long group. If I address all of your questions, might be it's 1 hour is done, right? So I hope you understand, and apology for this one. All right, what is machine learning? Machine is learning from the data. The data generates from customers and from internet. The data which generates from internet, what we call, guys, what we call unstructured data. Yeah, for example, XML, speech, and images and videos and all those things, correct? And when we talk about speech, hey Alexa, can you please play the music, right? That is a speech, yeah? That we take care of NLP, natural language processing, and image data, which is called deep learning. Yesterday, I played some of the videos like how to detect the face and eye detections using programming language. Yes, guys. So all those things we done yesterday. So I don't want to just open up again. But anyway, just one moment. Just give me one moment as few batches are new. Let me data science important projects. Just one moment. Yeah, face and eye detections from videos. So this is unstructured data. Let me show up. Run. I changed the background screen. Yesterday, the background screen was black and I've been changed to white. Okay, just one moment. Yeah. Just 1 second, guys, because I just wanted to show, yeah, the video is on. Let me check this one. You see how exactly your packages like computer vision projects will detect your get it. Yeah, it face and eye detections. This is called unstructured data. Yes. Did you see the programming language? How the model, what is meant by model? The CV2. CV2 is the open CV package. Yeah. You need to import these packages to find out how your machines will recognize this is my face and this is the eye detections. Yeah. So all these projects we're going to work in upcoming days, guys. Yeah. Let me stop at this moment. All these things we done yesterday, and I want you guys get recording sessions today. Let me speak with support teams and they will send with you guys. Understand? Yeah. Now, I wanted to ask you one question. So what is meant by programming language? I wanted to ask you one question. See, x equals to 2. See the screen, guys? X equals to 2, because in upcoming sessions, I'm also explaining what is data types, what is variables, what is identifiers, right? So when I execute X, what is the output I'll get? What is the output I'll get? 2, right? 2. So type of, now here, Y equal to 4.6. Y is equals to 4.6. What is the output, guys, I'm going to get now when I execute Y? 4.6. What is the data type for this one? Float. Now, how many of them are not from science background? Can you please raise your hands? How many of them are from not from, like you come from like mechanical, chemical, and maybe you're some of the professors, some of the PhD researchers? How many of them wanted to transit your career towards data science? Yes. Mechanical, how many? Can you please raise your hands, guys, from this offline batch? Everyone from BTech, computer science students? Yes. All are from computer science. Then electronics. Okay, that's okay. Good, good. Yes, Kirtana, understand. All right. So now I just wanted to, don't you understand these questions? Don't you understand these concepts, what I'm saying right now? Is it very hard to understand this coding language? I'm asking to the non-technical guys. Do you think you don't understand this type of questions? I mean, this type of programming? Little vibrations like short circuit. No, is it? Is my voice is echoing, guys? Online students? Offline is fine, right? It's fine, right? Yeah. No. Please, guys, check your internet connections as well. Yes, Wasim, check once. All right. Yeah. And let me tell you, whenever you just came into the class, I wanted to say one thing. Please bring your notebook, pen, paper, and your laptops, because I'll give you some of the questions and answers. We will discuss about projects. I will show you what kind of job openings right now. Okay. So that you can see what could be the, how do you apply jobs from LinkedIn as well. All those things I'm going to show you. What is the opportunities for data scientists in real time world? The course which you are learning, it's not only for India market, that you're going to learn for global market. Understand, guys? Everybody's clear what I'm saying? Everybody's clear, guys? Did you see there is a job options? You see job options? Now I'm going to put the options here, city, and I'm going to try to check here like UK. or maybe, yeah. So I just mentioned London, right? Just let me click outside here. Yeah. Data science manages London, Meta. So Meta means Facebook, right? I hope you're aware of this one. So this is from LinkedIn is one of the good job research where you can apply the jobs from here, guys. Lot of people under my guidance, they got a job offers. Do you want me to show some of the offers? Let me show up. Just one moment. Naresh, feedback and placed. See, a lot of them got job offers, but some of them shared their offer letters as well. See, this guy, he don't know how to speak English. Okay, look at this PDF screenshot, WhatsApp screenshots, all these things I mentioned. He got a job offer from TCS, right? And he's completely a electronic students, guys. He's not computer background, right? Let me close this one. And another one, accepted offers. There's quite good offers my batch students they got. Praveen, and he's from KPMG as consultants, data consultants. His package was 6 lakhs, 6 years experience. His package was 6 lakhs. Now he transit to, let me show up, scroll down, scroll down. Guys, are you able to see this? Finally, he got package of 16 lakhs, guys. Yeah, just show 3 years expertise in data science domain. Did you see 16 lakhs package? 6 lakhs to 16 lakhs transitions. Do you think it's a small? Do you think it is small, guys? I'm asking to all online students, right? Now, this is one student. Let me go back to the another students. Mukut Sharma, this guy, okay, he cracked 4 offers. He cracked 4 offers because I was speaking online sessions from last few months, 6 months, but now this batch I started as a first offline batches. So I just want you to be from this group, at least 5 to 6 offers I need from you guys. What you want? You need your dedications and time and follow me what I'm saying. Very simple. I will give you resumes, I'll give you projects. Just go and apply the job. But to apply the job, you need some projects, right? Isn't it? To apply the job, you need projects. To gain the projects, you need to learn the knowledge, right? Agree or not agree, everyone? Yeah, so those things I will teach you to you. What exactly I want, the one when you get into this room, just forget about the outside of the world and stay tuned with me for 1 and 15 minutes. Practice what I'm saying. Very simple. Tell me, guys, after 2.5 months, I will give resume. All right. Is starting salary. No, no, Ayush. He was experienced from last 6 years. 6 years he was into technical support, tech support. What is meant by tech support? Fix up some dish TV connections, some of the LAN networks, all these things called tech support. Understood? Yeah. Now this guy, he is a freshers. This guy, he is a fresher. This guy, he's a fresher. It's a letter of intent. Visit Vista Next Gen. So he cracked the offers within 3 months. Within 3 months, he cracked the offer. You want to speak with him? I'll give numbers. You can talk with these guys. Clear? So look at this. March the 2nd is joining date. And this is what his offer letters. He called me. Okay. And he personally just one offer, this guy, and another offer also. Same guy. Look at this. Mukut Sharma. Same candidate. Dear online participants, are you able to understand? I do see this online batch has a lot of professionals. Maybe you guys good package. See, what you need to understand is I am talking about few things like non-technical student to technical transitions. It's not easy. Understand? I'm not talking about how much package they are getting. I hope you understand. Maybe you're getting 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs in the span of 7 years. But even though in the same domain, when you spend another 6 years, what would be your package? More than 10 lakhs, isn't it? Maximum. But when you switch your career towards data science, definitely it's been increased to quite more package, isn't it, guys? The same guy already got offer 3,75,000 per annum. He's a freshers. Still, his final year is going on, guys. Yeah. So I ask one question. God given 2 eyes and 1 brain to everyone. Agree or not agree? or I got some 5 brains. No, right? So this guy also got given us, one brain. So definitely what exactly required is your dedications and time and eager to get a job offers. Very simple, guys, I'm saying. Okay. So we do have few offers. There are some feedback as well. Did you see the students, Miraz Ali, and I have another students called Tirumala. So he's a professor. He was a teacher before. I mean, look at this. I realized teaching thankless job because this is, I don't want to take this commitment. I just want to show up some of the feedback when I stored. Yeah. What exactly we do from this batch, 1 or 2 offers I want. Okay. Anybody could be that. For to teach data scientists, sir, I don't know English. Come on, guys. English doesn't matters at all. It's matter of what technology you're learning. Yeah. You need to deals with the machines. You need to type the code. When you type the code, it is connected with your brain. Agree or not agree? Yeah. So all these things we need to work together. I hope you understand, guys. So this is what some of the conversations, all these packages. I'm working as a functional tester, and so I need to go with that, taking considerations. Uh, Sinduri, of course, definitely you are able to get these offers. Very simple, because 4 years, what I will do, I will help you to prepare a resume. But whatever the projects you've done in the testing, I will remove the testing projects, Sinduri, and I will upload all of your data science projects like machine learning and NLP. And then you go and apply the job. Very simple. You get an interview calls and you try 20 interviews, guys. 1 or 2 would be done, isn't it? Agree or not? First 2 interview you face tough. Introduce yourself. Give me your last project explanations. 2 times you practice with me. I'll take a mock interviews. Third time automatically done. Yeah. So everything is possible. It's you are the one who stops you. You think data science is tough. Somebody, some Tom, Dick, Harry come and told you data science is a very big topic. So that's why we are here, because we almost work 7 years in an organization. Still I'm working. I know what is tough, what is strong, isn't it? So you all guys are completed graduation, school, college. A fifth class kid come to you. Okay. A fifth class kid come to you along with the parents. And they will say, next week my kid has exam. Can you please guide to my kid? So entire 1 year course, can you guide them in 1 week? Yes, of course, because you covered these topics, man. Yeah, you already completed the course. You just told them what is the big concepts, what is important concepts part. Yeah. So the same way I'm here. So just one thing, I wanted to say one thing to my students. Just give your time, spend 3 hours every day. If you are not working, spend 8 hours every day. I'll give a lot of projects and things should be very clear. Understand? Understand everyone, guys, what I'm saying? All online students. Now let's get back to the topic. Yes, please. Let's get back to the topic. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying is only one thing. You need to trust anyone in the world, yeah, to move forward. So I'm here, so no need to worry. I will share my to the online students after enroll to the classes. I will share my connections to with you, and we will discuss what kind of things we're going to learn. Okay. Now let me talk about today. Okay. Before, let me go to the projects first. Before project, I wanted to share one thing. What codes we are learning? What codes we are learning, guys? Artificial intelligence, yeah, AI. Okay. In 6 years back, when we call a customer, when we call a customer, like Vodafone's, a person is there to pick your call. Agree or not agree? 6 years back, I'm talking about all online students. Now, no customers is there. Now, one moment, just one moment. Let me kill the kernel. Yeah. So now no customers is there, isn't it? Just bear with me. Yeah. So nowadays what happened? Chartboards are implementations, correct or not? What is meant by chartboards? So today, everyone look at the board. Okay. I will create a chartboard in 10 minutes, offline and online students. Today, I am going to create a chartboard in front of you right now. I'll talk about, let me close this one. First, what is meant by chartboard? Chartboard in the sense machine is speaking with you, right? Machine is speaking with you. 6 years back, a person is there to pick your call, but now there's no persons. 24/7 jobs are shut down, isn't it? Agree or not agree? 24/7 jobs are shut down, but now there is no 24/7 calls. Everything is done by your machines, like Go IBBO, okay, and you go to the IRCTC bank statements, anything if you want, it's given by your machines. Now, let me give you one app, hdfc.com, okay? Okay, guys, yeah. Did you see there is a EVA will pop up in this one? Just one moment, one moment. I mean, the moment when you open any kind of app, yeah, any kind of app, what exactly happened? A automatic pop-up window will come. Why? What happened? Just one moment, guys. Yeah. So hdfcbank.com. Yeah. Open link and new tab. Just open. What is meant by front end? Anyone tell me? What is meant by front end? What is meant by front end, guys? In this group, don't know what is meant by front end? Web pages. You guys log in Facebook, right? You entered your login password. That is front end, right? Got it or not? That is a front end. So now, just one moment. Just give me a second. Yeah, let me show screen which we are looking. Exactly, web pages. Did you see some of the online folks are given the responses over there? Excuse me, are you able to see? There? Yeah, you see, right. Web pages. Now, IRCTC app. I will tell you on real-time situations where AI models are implemented on day-to-day, which we are using. Knowingly and unknowingly, we are using AI, guys. Understand? So here, web page. Did you see what is this? What is this, guys? Chartboard, right? Chartboard. This is called, this is a front end or back end? Can we see this chartboard machines, right? Yes, please get it. So this is chartboard, isn't it? This is a front end. Now, today, I am going to create a back-end applications within 10 minutes. We working a projects right now, a real-time projects, guys, which you are using every day. Like if you order a food from Zomato, let's say you order a biryani, the biryani is got late, what you do? You just type with the chartboard, right, buddy? Yeah, so the chartboard is replying back to you, isn't it? So where is my order? Now, customer, I'll connections to the customers, right? Now I'm going to show up one project right now. The project name is called, just let me close this part. Just one moment. The project name is called rule-based chartboard. Yeah, what is the project name? Rule-based chartboard. So just one second. Yeah, rule-based chartboard with Python programming language. A rule-based bot uses some rules on which it trained. Yeah, while a self-learning bot uses some machine learning based approach to chart. Self-learning. What is meant by self-learning, guys? The model, the machine is to learn itself. It's called self-learning. Yeah, this is the project I'm going to show you right now. You know what is meant by front end? Just now I showed you guys. This is the front end, right? Isn't it? This is the front end. Now let's minimize this one. Let's get back to the, that's what I'm saying. Everybody have to come along with your laptops. I will show you how to install the softwares. We both are work together. If you got any errors, we'll fix up. And I will talk about in futures what exactly data science is, very popular jobs in the world, along with the example, along with the practicals I'm going to show up. Yeah. Now listen to this code. Listen to this code. I think the screen is very small. Are you able to see this one? The letters? Are you able to see this, right? Did you see from NLTK? Yes, it's neat and clean, right? Online students. Guys, do not worry. don't I apology if I do not answer questions right now. Let me explain you something where exactly we used NLP algorithms and machine learning optimizations part. All those things I'm explaining you. First, you listen to me, then I will discuss with you. No need to worry, guys. Okay. The session is just started, just begun. So we have a long way to go. Everybody's agree? When the days pass up, you understand. I will tell you one thing, guys. Everyone, till now, if you not study, right, your parents will told to you, maybe your teachers will told to you, if you not study, that's okay. But when you come back to me, just you spend with me only for 3.5 months. What I'm saying, just spend with me for 3.5 months and 4 months. Very simple. Apply and follow me. I'll give you a lot of projects and we're going to work together, and you apply your resumes on the job portal. Clear, guys? Yeah. See, in the world, nobody will give a job. Do you think anybody will give a job? Who will give a job? You have to speak in front of interview, or I have to speak on behalf of you, right? You have to speak, isn't it? So what you have to speak, I will teach you guys. That is what I'm going to show up. All right. So in this case, from nltk.chart, what is meant by chart? You guys are charting each other, right? To your friends, to your family members, right? So from nltk.chart, util import chart and reflections. So at this moment, this is just a demo sessions. I will explain when the sessions goes up, what is meant by NLTK, what is meant by chart. Let me click here and execute. Yeah. Once I execute, did you see the kernel is running? Now, if I open this one, see how machines understand reflections. What is meant by reflections? When you stand in front of mirror, right? The reflections, you guys see your object. The same way, NLTK is the package. What is meant by package? I'll get back to your latest part, because if you apply any kind of mobile items from Amazon, Flipkart, you receive a package, right? You receive a package. When you unzip the package, you have modules, means you have some phones and all those things. That is called module. Difference between module and package. Got it? Simple terms. Okay, now here, I, you. When I say I, machine say you. When I say I am, machine is saying you are. Got it, guys? So this functionality, it's stored in the reflections. So I just type reflections. Is it a hard coded? Don't you think non-technical people don't understand, guys? I'm asking to all non-technical students in the group, whoever it may be on online sessions. Guys, can you hear me or not hear me? Yeah, this is called reflections. Reflections means I, you, I am, you are, I was, you were, right? This is called reflections. Now, pairs, I create a variable. I talk about identifier variable, everything's. What is meant? Look at the screens, guys. Yeah, because now pairs means when I talk to the machines, my name is, did you see the star? I will train some set of question and answers, right? What exactly I'm doing? I am trained some set of ask questions. Let's say you call to your friends. Let's say your friend is in Goa. Hey friend, where are you? Then he will respond, I am in Goa. The same way, did you see the star mark is here? What is meant by star? You can enter anything over here. So I mean, I'll ask, my name is Naresh IT. My machine have to respond, hello Naresh IT, how are you today? So I am training to my machines question and answer. I am training to my machines question and answers. Everybody's understand what I'm saying? Now, next question and answers. How may I help you? In star, I will mention how may I help you. Then machine will respond, I can help you. Understand? So this type of, I train some question and answers to my laptop, to my machines. Understand? So now let me select how many question and answers I train to my machines. Let me scroll down. Run. So pairs, when you click this one, 16 set of questions I trained, isn't it? Now let me click. This is one set. This is another set, question and answers, right? question and answers. This is what I train to the machines. Everybody's understand, guys? All online students, guys, what about you? Everybody's clear? Yeah. Now let's talk about, yeah. So now let's close this, guys. And after that, print reflections, let's do this. And I will talk about what is dummy reflections like grammar, go, gone, hello, hey there, all those things called dummy reflections. Now let's start. If a new user, if a new user, so to indicate to the new user, I just mentioned, please type lowercase English language to start the conversations, right? To start the conversation. So in this case, let me tell you, let me print this one. Now create a chart board. Now we create a chart board. Chart board in the sense, chart equals to pairs. What is meant by pair? All the question and answers. Did you see what is meant by pair? Pair is the variable which hold all the question and answer. Yeah, pair is the variable which hold all the question and answers. And now let's, and reflections. What is meant by reflections? I, what is reflection of I? You, right? Now let me go ahead and do this. Let me execute. Now let's see. I will tell you how to install the software, start conversations. Now let me drag it here. Let me go up. Variable Explorer. Just one moment. Let me go up. Okay. Now let's go back here. Chart.converse. Please start the conversations. Now let's run this one. Did you see the kernel is running? Did you see here the red is activated here? Did you see the kernel is running? Now let me ask the first questions. See over there, guys. Any questions, just ask me. Hi, my name is Naresh IT. Yeah. I mean user. Who are the user? Anybody out of, yeah, we'll talk about how to create an app. I will told you how to create an app in future. I will tell you guys. This is just a demo. I just wanted to show up. Hi, my name is Naresh IT. Enter. Who is response this one? Got it? Yes, guys. Are you get it or not? All online students. Hello, Naresh IT. How are you today? Yeah. Now next questions. I ask in star. Look at this question mark. I will ask. This script is running. Did you see? The script is running. The script is running where? I'm going to introduce to databases as well. Yeah. I'm going to say up. May I know your name? I ask. May I know your name? The machine is response. My name is Clever Programmer, but you can just call me Robo and I am a chatbot. Understand or not? Guys are able to see this one? Did you see? And I just ask to the machines, how are you? How are you doing today? I'm great. Now, what happens if I ask the questions out of the pair? So I'll ask the questions which are not trained, the questions which are not trained. For example, okay. For example, any questions, guys? So what is your date of birth? What is your date of birth? Our customer service will reach out to you. This is what you get response to Amazon, Flipkart, everybody. Guys, are you understand? All the online participants? I hope you understand, guys. Yeah. Clear or not clear, guys? Yeah. How is weather today? Yeah. Maybe if you write here. So I talk about here, like, I think I trained these questions, guys. Weather, do you have weather? Yeah. So you can ask, how is weather today? So a customer, I mean, the questions which is not trained. So here what you need to understand, how exactly the machines will understand all the details. This is backend. What is this? This is backend. What is front end? The HDFC bank which I showed you front end. What is meant by broker agent, guys? Agent are the one who take commissions from buyer, who take commissions from seller, right? The same way, this is my backend, right? This is front end. So how in front end, If a customer comes and type personal loan, so how pass the message to backend? Who will pass the message to backend? Somebody is there, right? That concept is called API. API means Flask API. So Flask API, what it will take, it will take the input from the customer and give it to the backend, which is model. Yeah, did you see the script is running? When the script is closed, the rest machines, customers won't get response, guys. Yeah, this is just a project I wanted to show up. I think everybody's clear this part. What is front end? What is back end? What is API? Now, let me tell you guys, in Flipkart Big Billion Days, when you log into your Flipkart, what happens if the server down for 5 minutes? Yeah, you go back to the other options, right? Amazon, some other app. So the business is down. So in the real-time world, in the real-time organizations, the server never be done. So this should be run 24/7. Understand? Did you see the kernel is running? If it is stopped, the user never able to get the output. Correct? So the business is lost. I mean, this is all one of the small tasks, guys. And also, everybody's clear or not? Everybody's clear, guys? Yes, Avilash, Amit, Ankit, Ankush, all the students, whoever attendance is here in this group, offline and online. Yeah, clear. Now let's talk about, this is which type of data? Text data or numerical data? Text data or numerical data? Text data, what we call for text data? NLP, machine learning, or AI? What we called as NLP, right? Natural language processing. So to natural language processing, we use a techniques called NLTK. What techniques we have? NLTK, right? Now, today, another projects I wanted to show up. Hey, Alexa, can you please play the music? Let me tell you, online students. Yeah. Hey, Alexa, can you please play the music? So today, I will done one research projects for you guys. So instead of all Alexa, I'll say, hey, Cody, can you please play the music? Yeah. This is the real-time projects. I'm not going to explain you at the beginning of the sessions. Being a demo, you should understand what is the real-time projects. Yeah. These are, don't you think these are the real-time projects, guys? Chatbot implementations and all those things, right? Now, I could say, I just play speech recognitions. I'm speaking to machines, right? Let's say I'll speak with my machines. Hey, Cody, can you please play Hindi music? What I say? I'll play something. Can you please play Hindi music? So when I speak with my machines will recognize me and the music will play in YouTube. Yeah. Just minimize this one. Let's get back to here. Do you see any tab YouTube is there? No, right? And SQL, I'll talk about later part. Yeah, this is a demo. Now, let's minimize this one. Let's run the script. Cody, can you please play English music? Did you say the code is listening? Listening symbol is beeping up. Yeah, it's beeping. Just one moment. It should play automatic. Just one moment. Maybe due to the connections. Just one moment, I think. It will start automatic, guys. Still the kernel is busy, it seems. Just one moment. Now, let's stop this. Let's try one more time because it should be work. Yeah. Cody, can you play English music? Does net is down? Yes, if it's internet issues, then that'll be okay. That's okay. I'll show you another time. Let me, if it's not working right now. Okay, guys? Yeah. That's okay if it's not listening now. All right. So now I just wanted to ask another questions. Let's say I will share you some Python book. So this book is I'll give you one use case. Let's understand how many of them give a correct answers to this one. Yeah, just one moment here. Yeah. Did you see Hello Python? Yes, what I mentioned, Hello Python. Let me tell you, the Python index begins with 0. Yeah. So each is 0, one is E, second index is L, third index is L. Okay. Correct. Now, I think you never know about any programming language. All right. Let's assume that you don't know any programming language. Understand? So now let me explain you about this Python. This is forward indexing, means when I'm going from left to right, it begins from 0, right? When I'm coming from right to left, it begins from -1, correct? Now, let me explain you. You know the concepts. Let me get back to the work. Just give me a second. Yeah. So now I have one, see my list. Okay, I will tell you what is difference between data types and data structures when the sessions will start, all those things. 10, 100, 1,000 and 2,000. Agree? Now let's run it. Okay. Now let's talk about its advanced slicing. Might be you don't understand. Just one moment. Let me get back to the easy one. Just bear with me. Okay, now can you please help me this one? What is the output of my list zeroth index, everyone? 10? Yes. Yes, online guys, it's 10, right? Now, do you understand the concepts? Now let's execute this one 10. Now let's catch this. What is the output of fourth index? What is the output? Error. Okay, Washim said error. Ankit said error. Error. You also said error. Error or we'll get output, guys. Now let's run this one. List index out of range. You know why? Because fourth index, I'm saying, right? How many index? Fourth index, because this is zeroth index, first index, second and third index, isn't it? So this would be the fourth index, which is out of the boundary range. Yes. The next topic is, let's talk about this one. That's my list. What about this one? What is output of this one, guys? Everyone, online sessions. Guys, are you understand online batch? You everyone said 2000? Okay. Now let's run this one. Copy. Yeah. So I ask the questions for this one. Run. Did you see I get output as reverse order? How do you say 2000? Because I mentioned 2000, 1000, 100, 10. Okay. Now what about this output for this one? My list -1. Everybody's understand or not? Now it is 2000. Makes sense. Now let's catch this slicing. Empty slice means all structures, all data structures, all values, whatever I defined here, right? Agree or not? Now let's catch this minus, or I'll talk about 3. What is the output for this one? Anybody guys? From the 10, 100,000. See, what I'm asking, I'm saying to my machines, print the value till third index, right? Print the value till third index. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me tell you. Then you ask a question, why the 2000 is not printed, right? Isn't it? Let me tell you guys, how do we calculate the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sense? But when Python index begins with 0, so where 1 becomes 0, 2 becomes 1, 3 becomes 2, and 4 becomes 3. So the formula becomes n minus 1. Understand? So the formula becomes n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 means 2 index. So 10, 100,000. Everybody's clear? Yeah, this is Python. So why we talk about this one, the indexing? When I'm teaching you the machine learning, see, when we understand A, B, C alphabetic, then only we create words, right? When we know the alphabetic, then only we create words. Whenever we know the words, then we create a sentence. This is all these things, guys. Yeah. I will share these books to you, not now, after 1 week and whenever the session is started. These books, guys. 118 pages, if you complete, you're good to go. If you complete 118 pages books, okay, this is very, very important to become a data scientist. There is a two type of jobs we have in the world. One is Python developer and data scientist. Guys, are you able to understand? One is Python developer and data science. What is meant by developer? Developer are the one who create a game, app. They are the developer, right? We are not a developer. We are a data scientist. Okay, so what is where data stored? Data stored in database or internet. We are not going to develop any product here. A lot of people thinks that if I don't know Python, then I cannot become a data scientist. So let me tell you guys, if you don't know the driving, let's say you know the two-wheelers. Everybody know two-wheeler driving, right? So before you two-wheeler driving, do you started working on a garage? No, right? Are you working on a garage, guys? So that you understand what is engine, what is light. It's not that. The garage is different story. He's a different guy. How do you learn vehicles? You need to drive your vehicles practice. Very simple. Same way, the Python developer is something like a garage man. Okay. Who is the data scientist? Who drive a vehicles, and you need key vehicles and know the destiny, where to go. If I give you the vehicle and key, go means where you go. There is a no proper destinations, right? So I hope you're clear what exactly I'm saying. What is the difference between Python developer and data scientist? Online students, are you guys are clear? Lot of students thinks if they don't know Python, then they never become a data scientist, which is completely wrong. Understand, guys? Which is completely wrong. Are you understand, everyone? Cool. Now let me talk about yesterday, the one who absent, guys, I would request to collect the recording part from the support team. Yeah. And about this code schedules, this is called full stack data science and data science course. 3 to 4 months journey, every day 1.5 hour sessions. Monday to Friday we have sessions. Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, right? Who will become a data scientist? You required proper planning, okay? And you need to spend more time on this learning. Does not require any prior coding skills, guys, because anyway I'll teach Python as well. Yeah, so you need to work those things. Clear? So how to reach support team? Yeah, you sent an email, Sinduri, or else they will send a message to you in the group. You can take a note. Yeah, no software background is required. You may ask a questions. Just recall, guys. For example, if you go for a Java.NET, you need to be a software. I'll show you one thing. Where exactly AI is implemented on real time. Yeah, let me show you that one first. And that will be the last topic for today. See, did you see this graph, everyone? Are you able to see this graph? The AI jobs created from 2017. Yeah, the jobs are created from where the jobs are created from internet market. Yeah. So in few days back, what is data? So if you see this 1979, the data prepared by heavy machinery item. To make 250 MB hard drive, they need to spend hard work and they need to spend tens of thousands of dollars, right? 2014, we used SD card, 128 GB SD card. Everybody aware of this? Yeah. But now we are at 2022. Are we using any SD cards now? Correct or not? The data is stored. Guys, are you understand or not? Yeah. So in this case, how the data, 90% of data was generated in last 3 years because of internet, because the computation's power is so expansive, right? And if you notice this one, see, advertisement, there is a capstone projects. What is meant by projects? I'll tell you some real-time scenario. Advertising. Do you think in after 2 years advertising will stop? No, right? So this is never ending projects. Automotive. Do you think automotive will stop in future? No. Constructions, educations, finance, healthcare, investment, logistics, oil, gas, mining, sports. I want you to understand clear thing one. Whatever the show here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 into 30, 30 domains. What is meant by domain? Aerospace, consumer, energy, gaming. These domains never stop. Existing days, only MCA or technical students only, companies hiring. But nowadays, L&T. Let me show you some of real-time job opening over here. Just go back to the Google and data science jobs in jobs for freshers. Okay. Now let me go up, open link in new tab. Are you able to see this, guys? Yeah. See, did you see all these opportunities are here? 2018 and 19 pass out. 2018 and 19 pass out. Okay. And look at this. How many jobs are we have at this moment? 13 days ago. Okay, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs full time. This is a freshers, guys. I'm just executing in front of you, isn't it? Agree or not agree? Yeah. So these are the job positions. L&T, what company is that? Software company? No, right? It's not a software company. Now let me ask to Google, data analyst in L&T. Requirement. Okay. So if you open this one, from last 2 to 3 years, these jobs are prepared, guys. Okay, even though mechanical data analyst job opening in L&T Infotech. Yeah, did you see, guys, why exactly I'm showing all these companies trying to hire data scientist or data analyst, guys? So let me tell you, whatever the technology I'm showing right now, I mean, these domains, advertising, automotive, education, finance, all these domains does not require what background you are. Makes sense what I'm saying? Everybody's clear, guys? What background is required does not make sense. It makes sense what we learn in data science part, what the projects we done so far, and how do we speak in front of interview. That is all makes sense, isn't it? Everybody's clear? Online students, anybody have any questions, guys? Now, okay, tomorrow I might help you to what kind of algorithms I will teach you. This is pipeline. What is this pipeline? What kind of algorithms I'm going to speak with you tomorrow? I will explain all these algorithms, guys. What is regressions? What is classifications? What is deep learning algorithms? What is neural networks? All those things we'll discuss tomorrow. Yeah, all those things. And why data science is booming in upcoming days. I will show up all those things on real time by knowingly and unknowingly we used on our daily life. You know why? Let me show you, guys. I have a question. Yes, Sundari, please go ahead. Just one moment. Let me close and I'll get back to you. Just give a second. Yeah. So before that, I just wanted to show up where exactly the AI is implemented. Social media, chatbots, autonomous vehicles, space explorations, gaming industry, banking, finance. How? Tomorrow, I'll show you with example in real time. On day-to-day life, we are using AI. I will show you tomorrow with examples. All right. Thank you. So anybody have any questions, guys? Anybody have any questions? Just now I mentioned you, right? Data freshers. Freshers does not require any experience. First thing, I will take your introductions, everyone, but not right now. And based on that, I'll give suggestions. Okay. Yeah. So are you going to brush statistics and math that is required here? Exactly, the math is required, Sinduri, but no need to worry, because do you know this package NLTK? Just now I explained you about NLTK, right? NLTK is the package. So all math concept is bundled with this package. Understand, Sinduri? Statistics is required. You know why it is required? I'll explain you with the real time. Probability. What is the probability to confirm your train tickets which you booked for next 2 months? Understand, Sinduri, what I'm saying? Agree or not? Yeah. Clear or not? So, yeah. Now, Washim, how to reach support team, I just get back to you. When classroom is created, you are sharing this all notes and projects. Of course, buddy, I didn't talk about what type of projects I'll share with you. I will show you tomorrow what are the projects. Yeah. Why I'm talking all these things? First, you aware of what is data science, what is AI, and then I'll show you the projects. If I miss any class, I will cover that. Sunita, you just go and take a recording sessions. I request everyone, the one who are non-technical, if you have time, please, I mean, if you are non-technical, better go for recordings, guys. Yeah. Okay. Anybody have any questions, please? One moment. Let me. Yes, guys, the class is done. Anybody have any questions? Yes, you can leave for the day. We'll see you tomorrow on same time and same things. Yeah. I hope the class is understanding everyone. Are you understand, guys? Or any questions you're not understand? I'll give you very simplify these things, right? And do not listen some YouTube channels like Tom, Dick, Harry, whoever come up and say something. AI is God, right? Isn't it? You can say anything. So now let's talk about. Yeah, the class is done. Anybody have no questions, you can leave for the day. All right. Yes, Yashasvi, please go ahead. Let me unmute you. Yashasvi and Dharini, Akila, Sinduri, Ravi Kumar, Priya Ranjan, Arvind, everyone, guys. I don't know complete about coding. That's what you're learning. You're teaching, right, Burma? Yeah. Yes, guys. We'll connect tomorrow on same time. Okay. I don't know Python. It's the same topic in mastering data science. Which topic? See, what is mastering data science? All these things we covered up, all algorithms, all those things we covered tomorrow. Yeah. Do you take offline? Yes, buddy, offline is going on. So yes, offline. We have students over here. Yeah. If you want to connect to offline, yes, guys, you can come back and attend the sessions as well. Yeah. This is the pilot batch we starting as offline. Okay. Yeah, offline personal assistant means whatever questions I'll speak with you, right? And we'll create a classroom and you can upload all your questions in the classroom. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah. Any further questions we'll discuss tomorrow. All right. Yeah. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.